Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to extract data from an AutoCAD drawing. We need extract coordinates and other data from an existing drawing for many reasons, such as to use precise location data in other applications like GIS or design software for analysis documentation, machine control like CNC or surveying with total station, and creating accurate site models, ensuring consistency between the drawing and real world or digital data, which saves time and more hours to avoid errors due to manual data entry. Open the drawing file. Now I want to create a block so that we can use its properties later on. For that, type block in the command line. Save it to a location. Select insertion base point. Now type data extraction in the command line and press enter. Select create a new data extraction and click next. Choose the selected object in the current drawing. You can click the icon to return to the drawing and select your points or objects. For this time, for this demo, we want boundary pillars. So select it. Here you can see the block which I have created at the start of the tutorial. But for this demo, just keep it unchecked. Now, select the properties which we want to extract. Here, we want position X, position Y, position Z, the X, Y, Z coordinates. In the category filter, uncheck all except geometry. Now, can see that we have extracted all 746 coordinates of this drawing. Choose your desired output in CSV or TXT or XLS format. Select a location to save the file and finish the extraction to get your data. If you like this presentation of mine, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.